Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all can hear me. Back inside the Corolla. I swapped this out on the driver's side because as you can see, it was broken. I had to basically hold this side, kind of like level it out to open and release. And it's literally fucking broken, you see? It's broken. So the passenger side is a new one. But these came brown. I'm gonna swap out the passenger side and put the new brown one on the passenger side, and then take the new one, the blue new one that I have right now on the passenger side, and move it to the rear passenger because the rear passenger is broken too. Alright? Check it. Alright. I'm gonna put y'all on. I ended up doing the door handles, and I ended up doing the front door locks with new keys and everything. Too bad I couldn't catch it on video to post it up. But it's actually pretty simple, even though one of the bolts was loose, to take out the new door handle. If you got an electric gun, you just run it until you just burn the whole thing out. It'll eventually just like burn itself right out because it's plastic on metal, or it'll just snap the head and you'll be able to take it out. Snap the head from the bolt, you'll be able to take it out. It takes some work into it, but you can get it simple. Alright, let's get to this. I gotta set up my camera so y'all can see me doing what I'm doing. It's quick. I did the driver's side in like 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Little modification I did. It has this little male part in between the hinges that go inside the door to hold on. Kind of sticks out like that. It looks like there's like a space cut out for it, but I be trying so many different ways to like put it on. I just end up cutting it out. Once I put it on, it stays there sturdy, and it has a screw right in the middle, so never had a problem with anything. Lines up once I cut that out completely. So we'll see what's up. Let me see how I can do this. I got a stand coming in with a microphone to make this a lot better for me. It's coming in soon. Alright, y'all can see from right there. Put the door in, y'all can see a little bit better. Let me push it back more. Right there. I hope y'all can hear me. I really hope y'all can hear me. Alright, right there. So basically, we're gonna take the Phillips head. As you can see, screw in here. I'm screwing it out. Screwing out the whole screw. Fell right inside the pocket. I'm gonna show you all the screw. Look, the screw right here. All right, place that right there. Look, that's it. You see? You see that? That's it. I'm gonna show you in the new one. Basically, what's holding the rest of it is, see this little plastic thing? It moves. So once I take it out, it just slides over like that. It's literally like, bah, that's it. And when you put the new one on, you gotta put it in, lock it. And once you lock it, you just line it up and put the screw in. That's it. Simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Look, right there. You see that? Look, right there. You see it? Look, this one looks, I don't know if you can see it. That one looks like grayish. It looks purplish. It's purple. It looks purple. There it is right there. Now we're going in with the new one. See, this is a little puppy. This is what I'm talking about right here. Maybe I get some sun. See this one sticking up? This one right here? I be cutting this one. And all these line up perfectly. That's it. Watch, I'm gonna see if I can get it in. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I locked it. I locked it in. I locked it in already. Let's see if I can line it up. See, it's not. And I don't want to break it. You know what I'm saying? I kind of went in, but this one had it a little bit. I don't like that though. See? But that's just me though. It's my own car, and I'm telling you, it works fine. You're gonna see. Look at that, look at that. Easy peasy, one tweezy. Let's test it out now. That's basically it. Let's test it out. Let me see. Doors closed. I'm pushing on it. Doors closed. It opens. You see? It opens. Doors closed. Doors closed. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Good looking.